Hey dear crafters, remember when I showed you the Spellbinders Club kit of the month in September, and I said I was going to invite my cousin Taciana so we could craft together and make some cards? Well, it happened today. This is what the table looks like. I have it all prepared for when I have friends over to craft together. I lay out everything we're going to need, the scissors, the paper scraps, punches, anything we're going to need. In this case, it was just the kit. I just added some animals and that's it. We all had our paper trimmer, our cutting mats, and of course I had the help of my great dog, Pablo. Pablo is a great crafter. He's always by my side and he's really good at making cards. And this is how I usually lay out the kits. I make sure that the die cuts are all separated in a big, like a bag, or not a bag, but like a box, a container, because it makes it much easier to find. It's, if you keep them in a plastic bag, it doesn't really work. I also have all the cards that we need, and I make sure that I have not just solid cards, because I do love to use some pattern cards as well. So I just choose some that I think will match the kit, and in this case I have some colors that really look good with the kit, and I have some patterns, and then at the end is where I have the white ones, and I have both horizontal and vertical, because we all have our preferences. Some people like to do it one way or another, so that's how I keep my cards. And here's Taciana. She's arriving. She was so excited, a bit nervous, because you know how intimidating it can be. Pablo always greets her, but she did really well. There she is, making some tough choices. We all know how that goes, where to place the paper, how to cut it, which image to use. But she did so well, guys, and she was quite proud of herself. There she is, making her first shaker card, right? That one we never forget. Beautiful card. She really made a beautiful card. And at the end, she was quite proud of all the cards she made. So let's take a look at Taciana's cards, and then I'll show you mine.